Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are getting the ESP DIST 001 error in Fortnite and can't log in or play, don't worry. I will walk you through the steps to fix this issue very easily. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we need to understand what this error actually means. So this error usually shows up when there is problem connecting to the Fortnite's authentication servers, especially in certain regions like Spain or nearby EU countries. It can also happen due to DNS issues or network restrictions on your device. So in order to fix it, first of all, you can simply just restart your Fortnite and your Epic Games launcher. Then you need to unplug your router for about 30 seconds and plugging back in. You need to wait for it to fully reconnect and then relaunch your Fortnite game. Sometimes this single refresh alone can solve a lot of issues. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try this second method, in which you need to go to the settings of your device. For that, you need to just right click on your taskbar and go to the taskbar settings. Over here, once you are in your settings, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on network and sharing. Over here in network and sharing, you need to just simply select the option of change adapter settings. You can also use this search bar here and search for change adapter settings. Now, once you are here in the change adapter settings, you need to right click on the active connection properties and IPv4 and use the DNS. So the DNS should look something like this. It should be preferred, and in the alternative it should be this, that is Google's public DNS. Then you need to apply and restart your PC and try launching Fortnite again and see if the error is fixed or if it is still there. If DNS doesn't help, you can try using a VPN just to log in. Some users report that this error is region based, so a VPN can help you bypass that temporary server block. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.